Hello and welcome to the wireless gameplay overview. To select wireless mode from the main menu, slide down with the touch capacitor and push the bottom button. It'll begin by setting a default channel. Notice these fancy loading dots. This is the wireless screen for the LCD. It has the player's opponent ID, current channel, and each player. We can change the opponent's player ID by pushing button 3 and twisting the potentiometer value up and down to increase or decrease the player's opponent ID. Let's go with a value of 35. To change the channel, we push button 2 and once again use the potentiometer to select the channel we want. Using the potentiometer to select a channel became extremely helpful when you needed to switch to a channel that was not the next one, or one that was right before the one you were currently at. Now that the game's all set up, we can begin making moves. At the beginning of the game, either player can go first, but once a player has made a move, say green goes first, they now have to wait for the opponent to make a move before they can play again. You can see the arrow indicating that it is indeed purple's turn. Looking at row 1 on the LCD display, we can see that it has the current row, column, and ID being received by the XB. When the ID matches the opponent's ID and the row and columns are valid, and it is indeed the opponent's turn, the move is placed onto the board. Unfortunately, for the recording of this video, I did not have an XB in order to demonstrate this. Just as in a local play game, when we'd like to quit the game at any point in time, we press button 2 and 3 simultaneously, and then use the slider to select yes. In this case, we do not want a rematch. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.